All right, I think I'm back. Can you guys see my camera now? Can you see my camera? Can you see my big, beautiful, smiling face, boys and girls? Yes or no in the chat? I apologize. I apologize. My bad, my bad. I don't know why that... Technology, am I right? I don't know what the heck. Get a Mac, they said. It would be fun, they said. Well, they lied. So, looking here, we got a huge dump with CPI. I think inflation numbers came out higher than expected. Market is down from CPI. We sold off over 300 points on the NASDAQ. Never did ask you guys in the chat for your bias for today, but you guys know the go-to bias, if you will, for these days, which is two-stage delivery event. So data low to data high in this scenario. Data candle down. We've already taken out the data candle low. And any reversals back to the upside would be kind of what we're looking for here, boys and girls. 5 minutes ago, we opened up. We do have an SMT divergence with ES and this low here. So I don't see an entry right this second that I want to get in on long. But yeah, SMT right at market open. Here's your first presentation fair value gap, which we could maybe see price come back down for. So we'll mark out first presentation. Got to be very mindful of size today. Obviously, these are some big ranges. Just from where we're at to the current low would be over 60 points. Let's drop down even further and see what we're looking like on a 30-second. Looking bullish for now. But yeah, to me, data low has already been taken out. I wouldn't necessarily demand that we need price to, you know, make another run lower necessarily. Obviously, I'm not saying that that couldn't happen. But to me, the data low has been taken. So in a perfect world, I'd like to see we trade all the way back up to data high. Let's go ahead and mark that out. And we do have a lot of resting buy side above data high as well. You can see we're just building up continuously this shelf of low resistance liquidity. I really, really hope we get a two-stage delivery today, boys. I really am. I know hope is not a strategy, but I hope we get a two-stage delivery. That'd be so sexy. I just love being bullish, you know what I mean? I love being bullish on the NASDAQ. It's my favorite thing to do. I love being bullish. Ironically, I think like it's easier for me to spot shorts in the market, but I just love being bullish. All right, lower 5-minute fair value gap tap. This is the fair value gap that traded above and was created above this high, this structural high. So let's see if we get reaction. Look out. I'm telling you now. I'm telling you right now. Wow. I'm in. Got a 1 minute change in the state of delivery. Let's see. Let's see how this plays out, boys. But I'm in right now. I'm going to go ahead and take this off for now. 5-minute fair value gap tap. This 1 minute close was my entry. Obviously, I got slipped to there. Let's see. Last up close candle. New low got put in. If not, I'll be wrong. I'll be wrong quickly, I think. Dum da dum da dum da dum da da da. This is what we look like on a 15-second, by the way. So this is the reaction I was watching out of that 5-minute fair value gap. Strong close up here. Macros over already? Dude, what the hell? Time's flying. All right, yeah, we're gonna get stopped out here, it looks like. But reason for the trade. Discount of the range. My entry came out of discount after that reaction. But we 5-minute fair value gap tap. 1 minute change in the state. Here. with that close. Slipped to a terrible fill, but wanting to see price go to 2-stage delivery. Yes, I did get stopped out. Yep. I sure did. I sure did. I got stopped out. Absolutely. But I feel like stubbornly being bullish today. So I'm going to enter long again. I entered long again, boys. Stop's going to go at the low. Just using one because these ranges are quite large. Take this back off. Reason for this entry is inversion fair value gap. On the 1 minute. Right here, and then still showing respect to this 5-minute graph. This green shaded area is a 5-minute 5-minute BISI. We are trading into an opposing 5-minute BISI right now. If I show you guys the 5-minute chart, I want to see a disrespect. 5-minute BPR. I want to see this thing disrespect. I got stopped out on purpose. That's right. I knew it. I'm glad you knew it. Remember, this is an open 1-hour fair value gap above this high. So at a bare minimum, that would be low-hanging fruit. We could tap into that and go lower as well. So see what we get. But that wouldn't be too overzealous. I am in on Top Step X as well, by the way, on my other monitor. Those 3 combines I was copy trading, I essentially am one. Like, if this trade goes well, it could pass all 3 today. And then add those to the mix. Add a few more fundeds to the lineup. That'd be a lot of fun. But I'll probably just manually close this position above this high. I'll manually do it. Just, you know, we might get a nice little pop through there. Could get a little extra off the bone. A little extra off the bone. I guess I'll remove risk now. I think it'd be kind of foolish to take a loss at this point, don't you think? That'd kind of be a good way to ruin your day. It'd make me emotional. You know? We're leaving a fair value gap up higher, so hopefully this will stay breakaway. Come on, give me some W's in the chat for the Bulls. We stayed bullish. Yes, sir. I don't want to jinx it. Knock on wood. Market makers, I'm not talking shit. Dear Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, please don't humble me for celebrating too early. Please don't humble me. Please don't humble me. I take it back. Please don't humble me. All right, NQ might beat ES to the high anyway. Is it just me, Or do you guys also feel like this moment in price is always the hardest to hold through? Like when it gets that close to your stop loss or to your TP, and then it does this little wicking down. To me, this is the hardest moment in any trade. Yeah, exactly, Mo. It is a rejection block. You're right. Give us the 1 hour fair value gap, please. And thank you. Just checking ES, make sure it ain't creating SMT on against us. All right, boom. Yay! The market didn't humble me, even though I celebrated early. All right, so I took profit there. I am still in on these Top Step X accounts.